Hi everyone, I'm Mary with Mary Greeley News. Thank you for joining me. About a month ago when I got my power bill, which was over $200, I decided to start investing in solar. So I bought a Jackery 240 battery storage solar bank power generator, whatever you want to call it. It stores the power from either a plug-in to a wall socket or to generate from solar panels. And I purchased 3 solar panels. But right now I want to see what my refrigerator pulls. It's an old refrigerator, ancient. And I'm going to unplug it and plug it in to the Jackery and see exactly how much power it uses. So I plugged it in and I'll turn it on and hopefully I do not trip it. Tripping, that means or it shuts off, but we'll turn this on. There we go. Wait for the refrigerator to kick in. So it keeps fluctuating. Do I have it plugged in tight enough? It looks like it. Let me try, make sure. I want to get a larger, yeah, see, it's not, I don't think it's running it. I keep hearing the refrigerator making noises. I want to get a larger Jackery or power bank. 1500, maybe 2000 watts. Alright, let's see. Open the door and see if it's on. No, it's not on. Alright, so I answered that question. What I've mostly been using it for, I'm getting reflection here, is, there we go, is to run my grow lights for my plants. Here is drawing 43 watts. I got 2 different style grow lights. Let me bring it over here and I'll show you. I got a small one up there and then I have a larger one up here for my split leaf philodendron. I've had this plant about 3 years. Let me move this. So I have these 2 lights here that I've been running with the Jackery 240. And then also, I've been running one in the bedroom. So here's the 2 grow lights that I've been using here in the bedroom for my plants. And the Jackery usually runs for about, 3.5 hours, the 240, before I gotta recharge it. It'll run about 6 hours if I also have it charging with my solar panels. So there you can see it's pulling 70 watts for those 2. And it holds 240 watts, but it actually does not fully drain before automatically shutting off. I also have a small fan that I use it for. It's currently pulling in 52 watts. It's a Honeywell fan. And that's set at high right now. And I'll put it at medium. See what it pulls. 22 watts on medium. And we'll put it on low. Yeah, it's a little dusty, huh? Which is, 39 watt, 35 watts. Let me put it back on medium. Alright, maybe I didn't have it running long enough. No, medium actually pulls less wattage. Oh, now it's down to 17. So I'll show you my solar panels. I'm going to have to go outside because I have them hanging in my bedroom window. First, I want to show you the power brick that it came with to just charge it by plugging it into the wall. So I plug it in there. Gotta turn this off because don't have anything plugged into it. And then I'll plug in the cord. It's the same port to power the solar panels. There we go. There's my 2 solar panels. Not the best place to put it, but I didn't want to put them outside, take the chance of getting stolen. Can you see that? They're behind a storm window. And you probably have gotten, with cloudy days like today, this probably was pulling in 9 watts at a time between these 2 solar panels. And the one cost me like $89 and the other one was, I think, $100. And I've already saved $100 this month in my power bill. Alright, looks like it's completely recharged. I know the Jackery Explorer 240 didn't at this point save me $100 because my solar panels where I got them isn't pulling in a lot of power. If I had it outside, then they'd be working 100%, but they're not. But it has helped me to remember to turn off the lights, and because of that, my power bill was $100 less this month than it was last month. I mean, $208 with their stimulus the city's giving us. My power bill is only going to be $16 this next billing cycle. So that helped me that way. Another thing I like about it, compared to a gas generator, is you don't have to worry about the noise attracting someone to come and try and steal it. I don't have to worry about where I'm going to put it, where the carbon monoxide comes back into my house. I don't have to worry about the storage of gasoline or whatever. Eventually, I do want to go with a larger power storage bank, maybe 1,500 or 2,000 watts, so it can run my refrigerator and my big screen TV. Whenever I get the money to do that, I'm going to do that. But yeah, this last month power bill, that is what inspired me to start going more solar. So if you have any thoughts or comments or questions, please put it down below. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.